Now to code it, so this is the follow-up video for the Sharan Alhambra coding for the squib after we replace it. Yeah, as you can see, the button's working, right? You press the buttons, they're lit, right? When you turn on the light, on and off the lights. Yeah, so that's working. We do have other faults in there, the flashing coil, but that's not the issue while we're recording the video. Okay, we have the airbag light on because of this, and of course if you're gonna go to airbags, igniter for driver's airbag, resistance too high. You're gonna clear this code. Yes, I have the engine running because this battery is horrible on the car and I want to be able to start it after. No fault code found. Then go back, close controller. Now airbag light is off. Then we have to deal with the other faults. First of all, we will at least have a look, see what's going on. Fan control, turbocharger and turbocharger, which means they changed the turbo, something is not plugged in. Okay, that's a different story. Steering wheel faults in here. Databus, we clear the codes. Let's see if anything comes back. Yes, it does, and there's one error. Now let's see coding. Long coding helper. Experimental, no. Automatic transmission. This is a manual, so make sure you don't have automatic transmission selected there. Multifunction steering wheel correct. Push to talk, steering wheel Tiptronic installed. This one doesn't have Tiptronic because it's not automatic, so it doesn't. No Tiptronic. Cruise control via separate lever. That is correct. Multifunction dimmer on. MQB no. Speed limiter no. Hit to it. Coding accepted. Full codes. We cleared the codes now. No full codes found, and there you go. This is steering module coded. Like I said, there's other faults in there with the check engine and stuff, but that is a different story. So let's clear everything. It cleared everything, you can see, but this car has more other issues. As you can see, the turbo bit, which they need to sort out, but the job that I was supposed to do is done, and there will be other faults coming in, but this is not something connected to this, to what we did the job. Thanks for watching, and I hope this one helps. Make sure you save the old coding picture by picture from the coding, let's say in the steering wheel. You go to coding and you go long coding helper, or you can just do a full auto scan of the car and you will save you this code. But the easiest for beginners, if you're at the beginning, if not, if you're advanced, then you would know that before you do anything, do a full scan of the car so you can have a backup in case something goes wrong, because believe it or not, stuff goes wrong. Experimental, no. And then take a picture of every single bit of this one and just code it the same, and that is for you the squib replaced basically. Thanks for watching.